Okay, we want to add a and b by the fast method. The fast method is more useful for the polynomials which contain just one variable or one letter. Like here we just got x and no other letters. Okay, so if we want to add these two by the usual method, we should go this way. We got x to the power of 6 here, and look for another. So write it down. We got x to the power of 5 here, and no other, so write it down. We got x to the 4 here, and another x to the 4 here. That would be minus x to the 4. And go this way. But this take more time, and we could make mistake in calculation. But here's how the fast method goes. Okay, we first write down the coefficients of one polynomial, say a. 1, minus 4, minus 3, 16, 7, minus 6, and minus 2. And we write down the coefficients of another starting from here. 7, 10, minus 1, minus 6, and should be below the corresponding number in the upper line. Minus 6 and 2. And now we add this by this, that would be 7, this by this, 4, this by this, 6, 10, this by this, minus 1, and here is nothing, so minus 4 and 1. And since the result is of the degree of 6, so this would be x to the power of 6, x to the power of 5, x to the 4, x cubed, x squared, x, and this is constant. So the result is this: x to the 6 minus 4 x to the 5 minus x to the 4 plus 10 x cubed plus 6 x squared plus 4x plus 5. But we could also subtract. Subtract this from this, which means calculate a minus b. So let's calculate. This minus this is minus 9. This minus this, minus 16, 8, 22, minus 5, and 1. So that would be x to the 6 minus 4, x to the 5 minus 5, x cubed plus 22, x squared, no, something, oh no, this is x to the 4, this is x cubed plus 8 x squared minus 16x, oh, everything out of the screen. Let me write down plus 8 x squared plus no minus 16x minus 9 minus 16x minus 9. Okay, and you know the polynomials should be arranged in descending or ascending powers of x, you know, and if it is not, we should arrange them in that way. For instance, they are arranged in the descending powers of x, you know, power of x here is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0 for number. This is also 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You know, for instance, if this 2 be, you know, the minus 4x to the 5 be here and x to the 6 be here, you know, we should arrange it. So the biggest power be the first, and as our eyes move from here to here, the powers of x decrease. Okay, and let's have another example. And the reason for writing the polynomials, or sorry, arranging the polynomials in ascending or descending powers of x is that we are sure that the coefficients of the same powers of x are written in the same column, in one column, say. For instance, if the coefficients of one polynomial be like this, and when we arrange the polynomials in the say descending powers of x, we are sure that the next, you know, the coefficients of the second polynomial be written under the coefficients of the same powers of x. Okay, so you know, for instance, here this is, suppose this is a constant number of some polynomial, and when we write down the coefficients of the second polynomial, say this is 1, 3, 9, minus 5, minus 7, say, we are sure that this is the constant term of the second, this is the coefficient, this is the constant term, sorry, and this is the coefficient of x, this is the coefficient of x squared, and when we, you know, these are also, and when we add these two, you know, we are adding in the right way. Okay, so let's have an example. Okay, let's start it. Add these two, and So here let's first write down the coefficients of 1. This one say -2, 4, and here's some point, and here we don't have the x cubed term, so we should put 0 for it. 0 for x cubed, 3, -1, and 7. And the coefficients of the next one, starting from here, 1, 5, -2, 2, 1, and 3. And now add this 8, 4, 1, 2, 5, 1. So this is of the degree of 5. So this is x to the 5 plus 5x to the 4 plus 2x cubed x squared plus 4x plus 8. Okay.